Good evening, everyone. We are Team Byte Stuffers, and our project is TaxEase, an AI-powered tax management platform designed to help individuals and MSMEs handle taxes smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Think of it as your digital tax guide that saves money, reduces errors, and makes compliance simple. The problem it solves. Taxes are often time consuming, and costly for both individuals and MSMEs. Many overpay because they don't know about deductions or exemptions, while others underpay or miss deadlines, leading to penalties. MSMEs already busy running day-to-day operations often struggle with bookkeeping and tax filing. Bank statements add to the confusion with vague narrations like UPI IDs make it unclear whether a transaction is income, expense, liability, or asset. As a result, business overpay taxes and lose hard-earned money. Individuals miss out on deductions like tuition fees, rent, or investments. Authorities face delays and errors in verifying compliance. Hiring a chartered accountant regularly is too costly for small businesses, and existing tools focus only on filing returns, not on guiding users to save money or stay compliant. How Taxis helps. For individuals, automatically flags deductible expenses like tuition fees, rent, loans, and insurance, calculates approximate liabilities, and sends reminders to prevent missed benefits. For MSMEs, detects GST input credits, depreciation, and loss carry forward opportunities, while AI driven categorization of transactions ensures accuracy. For authorities, provides transparent AI verified records that speed up compliance checks and reduce fraud. Smarter compliance. AI reduces errors, automates calculations, and offers real time tax saving suggestions. Automated tasks. Smart contracts can handle GST payments or filing, eliminating delays and penalties. The key benefits are saves money, captures every deductible rupee, lowering tax burden, saves time, removes manual calculations and error-prone bookkeeping, builds trust. Blockchain-backed audit trails ensures transparency and compliance. Supports Digital India, encourages MSMEs to adopt secure digital tax tools, contributing to a more efficient economy. Now we shall see the walkthrough throughout the project.
ஹலோ சந்தீப் இருக்கியடா? சரி ஓகே, அது வரை கட் பண்றேன், அது வரை கட் பண்றேன், ஓகேவா? ஓகே. ஓகே, சீக்கிரம் பண்ண ப்ரோ. நான் எல்லாமே இரு இரு, ஓகே, இதுல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட்
இது
பண்ண ப்ரோ,
சந்தீப்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் சிஎஸ்பின்னு சொல்லு, ஓகேவா?
இப்ப நீ முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா அந்த சேலஞ்சஸ் ஃபேஸ் வந்து அபிக்னா முடிச்சிருவா. ஓகேவா?
சரி ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட் சார்.
This is the actual representation of a bank statement. What kind of narration it is, and the amount and transaction type, and those two categories, main categories and subcategories, will be predicted by our fine-tuned llama model, which we have made specific for that. These are the types of transactions of it, and by analyze, this is a bank statement of your transactions, and those data will be uploaded to it. And this is a landing page in which we have secure authentication, and then this is the way you can able to upload your CSV files. Choose your CSV file and upload it, and boom, um, a well analyzed data form is ready in your hand, and you can able to see what kind of expenses we have made before taxes and after taxes, and what are the taxes you need to pay, and what are the assessment and recommendation they does. What the total is 29,950. we have actually saved literally 5,700 by deducting it instead of paying it to the government, which means we have saved your hard-earned money. And this is how the AI will helps you a lot in this case. And let's go on to the next thing, the charts, where you can able to see your beautiful images of your bank statements, where you have performed good, where your taxes have been gone good, and what are the quarterly analysis, performance analysis, radar analysis, and other stuff. So let's go on to the next thing, which is the expenses part. And let's say you have a missed the expenses thing, and you want to add an expenses part. So let's say at the end of filing, you remember that, and you have finally added it. At that time, you can able to simply add it through an add expenses thing. So what kind of date, what kind of expenses is it, and by adding it, the A will quickly category and subcategory and apply the loss for it, and gives a breakdown on where you spend your money, where your expenses have gone. Next thing will be uh, how your categories have been spread out. Let's say you have spent more on food and drinking and transportation. You can able to easily manage your expenses as well, since it also going to help you in how you're going to manage your taxes. So it gives you and budgeted a lot and other stuff. So let's go on to the tax impact. What are the tax optimizations that have been done, so with and without tax optimizations, which is literally 7,000. And the next thing is expense category analysis, where we have given the where your money has spent in whether in travel or software. So and the next part is what are the tax laws have been applied for your bank statement, so that you can able to easily check, or you can give an this these performance scores will get you analyze what are the things we have done in the past, and how much money we have saved, and what are the mistakes have you done, what how much amount of taxes you have paid in monthly wise and yearly wise, and tax optimization strategies and other stuff. So this is the compliance status, and that's it. This is the AA where it also detects what are the missing HR deductions you have made in the past, where you have missed the 18,000 potential savings in the past. So it detects you that, and incorrect ITR form selection. Let's say we have choose the wrong ITR for it. Wrong ITR form does leads to a fine of like 2 to 3 lakhs. So it also checks whether you have submitted the correct document as well, and there's a thing, and that's it. So these are the stuffs it also provides. And there's an where you need to at the end of the year you need to file your taxes. The A doesn't help you, but the A will help you with stuffs like how can I spend it, or else how can I fill it. Help you from the start. It helps you like that. So in general way, it helps you file the task, and other stuffs will be explained by our teammate. Thank you.
So while building TaxEase, we ran into a few hurdles along the way. First, handling user inputs was tricky. CSV files came in sorts of formats and sometimes with missing columns or messy data. To fix this, we added strict validation, clear error messages, and cleaned the data before processing. Second, integrating our AI model required properly formatted inputs. Feeding the wrong format could give incorrect outputs. We solved this by creating a structured prompt template, making sure instructions and inputs were consistent. And third, we faced computational limits. Fine-tuning large models consumed a large lots of GPU memory. We overcame this by using a 4-bit quantization and carefully monitoring memory during training. Finally, edge cases like empty inputs or unusual transactions could break the analysis. To handle this, we implemented error handling and fallback messages, ensuring the system runs smoothly in all scenarios. Despite these challenges, we successfully built a robust and reliable taxis that can help users save time, money, stress while dealing with taxis.